If you're building a new house anytime soon, you're going to want to tune into this one. Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Budget Lawns. Been a while since we've met. Thank you for hanging in there with me. If you're new here, I hope you enjoy what you find, and I hope you will come back to find more. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. I like to engage with y'all and get to know you. I really appreciate that. So, new construction lawn care. Gosh, it can be daunting to say the least. But you know what? It doesn't have to be as difficult as it is often made. I have been down the new construction lawn care path once before. You know that if you've seen a lot of my videos. I have talked quite a bit about it, and we are going to talk quite a bit about it even more, because we are about to go down that path again. Oh, the old lawn here, not gonna be mine for too much longer. It's been a great ride, but all good things must come to an end, and everything we have accomplished here on this lawn, we will just do it all over again. So, got a new house on the way. This was definitely not really even in the plans. We started looking for a bigger home. Our family needs just a little bit more space, and could not find what we wanted that was already built. Right place, right time. Found one more lot in a pretty darn nice neighborhood that was ready for new construction, and we snagged it up. The housing market here in Northwest Arkansas is just so crazy hot right now that we didn't waste any time, or it was going to be gone. So that new house is set to be built sometime this spring and finished at the end of June. So just in time to start whipping things into shape with some nice hot weather in the summer for that Bermuda grass, which we know that hot weather, those warm temperatures during the night will just help that new Bermuda sod, which it will be, just take off and run. And I'm going to show you every step that I take on my new construction lawn to go from nothing but, really, I mean, when you build new construction, it looks pretty terrible most of the time, to what I have been able to accomplish here on this lawn at this house. So we're going to turn this into just a little bit of a series, and I'll show you every single thing I'm going to do and help you not be so overwhelmed if you're about to be taking on a new construction lawn of yourself. So that's the big news in this video. I don't know how much we'll get done in lawn care on this lawn. Of course, you know I'm going to take care of it until the moment we move, because I want to make sure the folks that buy the house from us are set up to go with a nice lawn when they take over. No doubt they're already way ahead of most any other house they could potentially buy. But that's all I want to tell you right now. We're about to jump in the car and head out to the new location. I'll show you what we're going to be working with from scratch. Well, it ain't much to look at right now, but it will be by the time we're all said and done. That is where the house will be. So, do I have some concerns about the lawn before we even get started? Yes, I do. But you know what? This isn't all about me. It's about my wife and kids too. So I will make the lawn work no matter what. What is nice is behind the house. Farmland. Nothing there, no neighbors behind us. That's a plus. But this is where the house will sit, and kind of worried about a little bit of the slopage we've got going on here, but I don't think it'll be as bad once everything is graded and finished up. But that will be the front yard. Oh, it's cold out here. The backyard is where I just don't know yet, but again, I actually am kind of excited about this because I won't have this just like blah, cookie cutter, flat, perfect, you know, landscape lawn. It's going to have some contours. It's going to have some different elevations. I'm going to turn this around. I'm going to show you what the house that's being built next door, what the back lawn is looking like over there, because that's pretty much what mine will look like. Yeah, when I saw this, sure, I was concerned. Don't know how I feel about it, but I actually think it has a lot of potential and will have a lot of character. But when it all comes down to it, folks, I'm getting this for the house. It was everything that the wife wanted, everything that the kids needed. There's a playground and a pool, so those were two huge pluses in the neighborhood. That was kind of like my wife's, you know, that's really what sealed the deal for her, because she really didn't want to go through the construction process again. But when she saw that, she said, I'm in, and it was a no-brainer at that point. So there you are, one last look. Yeah, we'll see. I don't know how that's gonna look, you know, when they get all that done. Next door, yeah, it doesn't look too bad. They're probably not done grading that yet. That looks awfully steep, maybe hard to real mow. We'll cross those bridges when we get there. It's kind of what the house will look like. We picked a different plan, so not exactly like that, but same builder. And I want to say a huge thanks to Terry and Don McNaughton and the rest of the McNaughton real estate team. If you're in Northwest Arkansas and you're in the market for a new house, one that's already built, you want to rent, McNaughton Real Estate has you covered. I'm telling you, as professional, thorough, detailed, any positive thing you could say about a real estate or a realtor, real estate business or a realtor, McNaughton Real Estate has it. Thank you so much for helping us sell ours and getting us set up with the new one. All right, folks, it's cold. I got to get back in the warm truck, and we got to go show the kids the park, because that's really kind of why we came out here. We'll see you next time.